because it is bad for so many reasons. Like, I feel like I've talked about ad nauseum over the last few weeks, but like
that light's red. Yeah. Red light run, red light run, red light run. Like, yeah, that was red.
Go ahead, Jesus. Well, just in Utah, obviously a big data center like this is a problem anywhere, but it feels like in the American West it's an even bigger problem.
Straight from the left turn lane.
Shrinking Colorado River,
Massall.
Lake Mead is suffering.
Really? What? Massall left. Because Prius.
Back to the show. It's a show where two podcasters start with you. From George Sr. to George Jr. I don't think Clinton ever promised it, but let me read you an interesting quote that Clinton said. This is from his book. This is page 156 of his book, My Life. And this is, he says, just a month
it's
talking about
red over there. Really?
A month after the Apollo 11.
Look at how frightened they are.
Yes.
I mean, it's just unbelievable. And what choice do you have? You either keep fighting or you give up and die. Like,
nice cutoff.
Right, I'm not doing that. Like that's just not the one life I've been given.
That interaction, and then you blast it out on all your socials.
Yeah.
And then people see that, they're like, oh, it's not just me.
Yep.
Nice cutoff over there.
Because they won't believe anything a politician says. But when they see a comment, this is in comedy circles. This is called crowd work.
Subscribe button is on the screen now. Just click or tap God's face.
Big truck like that with pulling a thing like that. I mean, I already sang the song for this episode, so I guess that's not allowed, right? Okay.
To the spongy globe of plantanumeridium about the size of a human brain.
Nope.
She learned to calculate the parameters necessary to fix the possible blushly as possible. In the mind of the public, you and U.S. robots are identical. Your retirement will end an era, and you want the human interest angle. She didn't smile at me. I don't think she ever smiles, but her eye...
Oh, look, there's a sign. Trucks prohibited from left 2 lanes, or whatever the hell that sign says.
A few moments later.
That everybody was. But I said, that's right. Human interests out of robots.
Nice cutoff.
And
there he goes again, because he don't give a shit.
Out of you. Well, I've been called a robot myself. Surely they've told you I'm not human. They have. Our Nestor 10 was not responding with a forced action. Why isn't his curve different? I don't understand that. It's simple enough.
And nice cutoff.
Responses are not perfectly analogous to human response.
No one's paying attention. Scroobaroo. It's like, can't you just wait to merge over, like, to here? Can't? Alright.
Actually, I have been told to be lost. Another step.
Nice cutoff, and nope.
They have not found me so far. He would think me for an addition to the general atmosphere of these meetings on hyperbase. In his stained white smock, he was rebellious and wholly uncertain.
I walked past his house at the same time as well. Yeah. It's me, Panning. Was that during the podcast or before we started recording?
Nice cutoff.
Was during the podcast.
The guy you go and there's just everybody doesn't like you and you're like and they all go on vacation and you're like I don't.
Exit dive up there.
Yeah.
But so then we get.
So
either ruin or help.
Prices rise or fall.
Yeah.
On such small changes.
Exactly. And as a matter of fact, like I think, I don't know what line it is, but they are
Exit dive. Nissan drivers. All Nissan drivers are horrible. Every single one of them.
Where the Penguins are right now, unless McDavid is like secretly meeting in Pittsburgh, there's no reason to worry about anything with the cap ceiling. That's been my point with Gino. We just have him back. Have him back like a man.
A few moments later.
Ron Cook him out of town like they tried to do with Yager. Ron Cook tried to do or did with Yager. You know, the PR battle.
Nice cutoff.
You're never gonna win.
And I would say
again, I think you did it
30
before.
to 40, a good 30% of the people.
And everything globally, and then going from there. So it's really on a case-by-case basis, because there's some instances where people, the hip checks out, the ankle checks out,
nope.
As far as like
Ken, I'm slowing down and letting you in. And no. Turn from the left lane.
Hypnotism thing.
Right, yes. Right. It's hypnotizing the good people of Eastern, I guess.
The good people.
Yeah.
Really? You don't hear the sirens and stuff?
To start dancing. That's when Jehu is like, this is too much for me. Storms. She like kind of admits a little bit of atheism. She's like, or not. I don't know. The ball thing's just like when it rain just happens eventually.
Nice cut off.
Just wait, and I went to bring rain, and then Elijah's gonna look dumb. But then, for a second, this was great.
Oh, look, you were diving for a left
and they have this
turn.
weird moment of establishing lore where Lorem Ipsum is
really?
like, what happened to the girl with love?
And what women are for, and like terrible dating coach advice for incels, incel adjacent people, like that the rise of this, the out loudness of it, the volume of it, the
really
profligacy of it is just kind of crazy. And now to see that,
I think really,
I was promised the bin is on the way, and bin hasn't gotten here yet. Where's bin? I know you guys are supposed to be bin. Also BIM stands for what? It's like the
Boogaloo music industrial music.
Yeah, so it's the name of the like company. Yeah. And I just love it's like do the BIM like B I am like no that's like saying IBM. It might as well be IBM actually.
Yeah.
What if I love this?
Pick a lane.
And everyone's like, this is great. I love IBM. It's fantastic.
The Equal Rights Amendment, since it unduly affected people based on their sex. And unlike its big brother in D.C., the Pennsylvania state constitution wasn't scared away from passing the ERA by hysterics about public bathrooms. So it actually predates the Women Control Act.
In terms of, hey, we're not thinking of you the same way we're thinking of Chicago. What is that nuance? And
no,
why,
stop.
In a sense, like statewide.
Sorry,
why not reform?
Top worker bees announce their departures from the hive.
No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real because we are in Massachusetts where they don't allow such a thing. Oh well, sucks for you. You get to be in the video. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, see you next time. Okay, bye!